provinces, united in our vision, purpose, and shared aspiration for the advancement of our people and our communities. This historic joint session is a testament to our commitment to collaboration and regional unity. Let us then seize this opportunity to work in harmony, to deliberate with respect, and to act with the welfare of our constituencies foremost in our minds. With the kind permission of
From the PSA, Philippine Statistics Authority, Region 7, we have Mr. Melchor V. Bautista, Cebu Chief Statistical Specialist. And from the DILG Region, the Assistant Regional Director, Evelyn N. Castro. And from the Policy Formulation and Planning Division, Architect Neil Andrew Manjares, Mr. Carlo Gabriel Silbahon, and Mr. Rafi Dave Boyles.
Ministers of the Sangguniang Lalawigan of all, it is with distinct honor and pleasure to present to you our resolution. This is a resolution.
Go.
Hi, welcome. Welcome to Cebu board.
Is that you, Leo?
Yes.
Suspend the rules.
the rules of the Sangguniang Lalawigan of Cebu.
What it takes to reach greater heights and become powerhouses of economic growth, social inclusion, and technological innovation in the entire country. Please accept.
Watch out! What is left of Region 7, you have just given us the opportunity to become the economic powerhouse of the Visayas, and who knows, perhaps even the entire country. Ginuhit ng tadhana nga kami na lang yung duha, kita na lang mo inabilin. And together, mas focus na hinuon kaayo. Mas tutok na kaayo ang among mga plano kay isig tabangay naman. O gawas ni ana, we build on what is already there. The highest GRDP of the Visayas, which is Central Visayas before, as it was known to be. Yung po, natangtangan ta, pero kita dyan po yung highest.
Padayon momento.
Punan ta pagid na. Karon kay kami na duha na.
Okay, welcome mo sa Sugbohol, no? Mao ni ang bag-ong tema sa Region 7 na among gimugna ni Governor Gwen Garcia. Nang hinanlan ta sa ilahang expertise aron pod na maambagan pod ang atong probinsya sa Bohol, and naapod sila na mo guide nato labi na nang invite ang mga investors sa atong probinsya sa Bohol, and I think mas nauna sila nang napitaan. We need their mga advices or unsay angay natong buhaton para ma-successful ang atong pag-invite sa mga investors.
Go with the on, but the plan to enter into a sisterhood agreement, murag dugay-dugay na nato nga nahisgutan, pero too soon pod no nga ang province of Cebu ning make gyud sila og move, which is very thankful and happy ta.
Business and economy and other shared benefits and growth for Region 7. Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, allow me to read some of the whereases of the resolution. Whereas with the passage of Republic Act number 12